Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian School in Qatar. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurrab and we will continue talking in this video about the 6th grade English for Palestine 6A students book with the last two periods in Unit 3 Summer Adventures, Period 7 and Period 8. Please open your books page 26 and 27. These are our pages and we will discuss the first period 7, and then we will go to period 8. Let's start with the first activity, read and write. We have here some words: over, 18th, 18th, 13th, and ordinal numbers, of course, 21st, 10, when, and we are gonna fill the gaps with these words. This is the first example. 1. Omar's family were staying on the farm from the 15th to the 21st of July. Let's see the second one. Rania's family were camping from the space to the space of August. Rania's family were camping from the 15th to the 18th of August. Very good. 15th and 18th. We have to write the ordinal numbers in letters and like this. 3 and 4, please pause the video, try to answer them, and then check your answer. Amy was playing in the river on the. I told you that when we see on the, so we have to write a date in the space. On the 13th of August, when her boat, space, what happened to her boat? It turned over. 4. Omar was riding his bike in Jericho on the space of August, so a date on the 14th of August. This is 14th when he fell off. This is the first activity. And now let's move to the second one. Think and write the correct sentences. Sorry, it's about writing. So in period 7 and 8, we usually talk about writing skills, practice writing. Remember what Ben said. Remember, use a capital letter at the start of a sentence, use a full stop at the end of a sentence, and join the sentence using when. We will join between two sentences using when. This is the new thing that we will do in this unit. Amy was playing in a boat, space, it turned over. Amy, capital letter, it comes first with the sentence, was playing in a boat. This is the first sentence, and to make it more easy for you, they leave a space here. Okay, so it's easier for you to write when it turned in. Okay, number 2, Omar was riding his bike, space, he fell off. What do you think? Omar, capital letter, was riding his bike when he fell off, and put the full stop. Use when to join between two sentences. Two actions happened at the same time, so we use when. He fell off, and don't forget that it's the third one that we use capital letter, capital letter, capital letter at the first of the sentence and full stop at the end of the sentence. The family were driving to the farm. The wheel burst. So the family were driving to the farm when the wheels burst. Okay, it's easy. Just check your answer, pause the video, and write it correctly. Let's just do this one and underline the things that you do. Okay, put lines under the corrections that you did in the second and the third one. And don't forget that we use when to join between two sentences. And the third activity, think and write sentences about an adventure. Please, this is a task that you have to do. I'm going to show you a sample. You can do similar to this sample, or you can just try the sample. Last summer, I visited my uncle in Palestine. I swam in the sea many times. I flew kites with my cousins. I had lots of fun there, so I hope to visit them again and have some more exciting adventures. This is a sample. You can write the same thing and practice it, or you can write something similar to this one. And be careful when you use the verbs that we are talking about some last experience, previous experience with last summer. So the verbs is in the past: visited, swam, flew, had, and so on. The fourth one, practice your handwriting, please, on your copybooks, not on the in 2 lines, but in 4 lines. Write these words correctly, and you can send the pictures to your teachers to check your handwriting. And let's move to the eighth period. Read and complete the sentences. We have just 2 activities in this period. Check your spelling. You can write or read the sentences again. The first one, look and answer. We were camping on the space of August. We have here the mobile phone. Look at these numbers on the 15th, 16th, 17th, and 18th of August. Amy and her boat. I was floating in the river when my boat, turned over. Ben and I were on a summer camp. We arrived on the 12th of August and it happened the next day. So the next day for 12th is 13th of August. What an adventure! What an adventure. Omar was riding his bike in Jericho when he fell. It was the space of August. Look at the calendar. What do you think? On the 14th of August. Very good. We have another calendar here. Omar's dad was driving to the farm when his wheel space. The family stayed on the farm 5 days. They traveled on the space and left on the 21st. What do you think? The wheel burst and they traveled from the 15th to the 21st. They stayed at their aunt's sheep farm. 5 space. The second wheel burst. Omar's dad was driving home on the space of July. When the second wheel burst, Omar's dad was driving home on the 21st of July, and the last gap, the sheep were running when the wolf chased them. Very good. And this is a project. You can do it, and you'll to take extra marks. Work in groups of 3 or 4. Make a word cloud. If you are at home, you can do it by yourself and get extra marks. These, my lovely students, while doing their projects, it was an amazing time. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurab from the Palestinian School. Hope you enjoyed watching the lesson. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.